Kaya, ay, naglakad na mag-isa, oh. Uy! Sige, lakad na. Ayun, ayun. Sige. Sige, walking, walking, walking. Uy, galing, oh. Walking, 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 walk, walk, walk. Lalakad ang bebe, mag-walk. Op, galing. Galing. Uy, uy, kaya na. Oh, sige, kaya na. Bukas makalawa, tatakbo na si Yan. Oh, oh. Op, ay, walking, 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 walk, walk, walk. Lalakad ang bebe. Hello, hello. Huh? Walking, walking. Uy, sumisigaw. Don't shout. Kasakit lalamunan mo. Kasi hindi natin maiiwasan. Pag-usapan na ba yan sa cabinet, pag-usapan ba ang decision makers? Incidentally, and we have about protecting the nation even before this crisis. Nakarami hong pagsusuri, all our development partners sa atin, and this is what you're seeing, the concentration of a lot of our supported non-poor, nandun sila sa line that segregates the poor and the non-poor. So they're technically very, very vulnerable. Siyempre, pag ako tatanungin, our paradigm is